Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Bristol Crypto Craig on this Sunday night here in the UK. On the so what are we on the what date are we on, guys? We're on the 7th of November. How you enjoying it, guys? It's a parabolic season, guys. It's Q4. It's 2021, and absolutely buzzing. I hope you're enjoying this manic phase we're going through, guys. 470 subscribers now. Thank you for all the returning people for viewing my videos and all the new subscribers, and also my TikTok, guys. Thank you very much. If you've joined the channel from TikTok, absolutely flying on my TikTok account at the moment. Once I get up to 1,000 on there and 1,000 on here, I'll start doing some lives. So I'm really looking forward to doing that, everyone, too. So I want to start off this video today, guys, by looking at the chart where I believe we are at the moment. I'm also going to show you the Wall Street cheat sheet, guys. A lot of you have been asking me about this as well in my comments on TikTok. So, excuse me. So as we're looking here, we're looking at the 2017 cycle. And where I believe we are at the moment is probably around about here. So obviously we're going into the second week of November now. And this is what I believe we have coming over the coming weeks, guys, here. If we can just zoom in quickly here as well, just so you can break it down a little bit for everyone. So let's just zoom in on that there. So here we are now, coming up to the second week of November. We've just seen a slight pullback, which is most likely this little pullback here. We've had nice gains, haven't we, the last month. We've seen a nice little pullback here. Small correction before we go to this euphoric phase, guys. That for Bitcoin in 2017 lasted from the 13th of November all the way up until the 11th of December before things started coming a pullback. Altcoins ran slightly later, a few weeks later than that, guys, so you can work that out with the dates there. But where I believe we are on the cycle at the moment, guys, I believe we're somewhere between here now, optimism and belief, okay? So we are about to go into euphoria and thrill over the coming 5 weeks, I believe now. Probably now between now and the end of December, we are going to see this little phase here. We've been consolidating, we've had disbelief, we've had the hope phase, we've gone through the optimism phase, and now we're up here, guys. This is where I believe we are now for the newbies that have been asking me about the cycle, okay? So, anyway, moving on to the markets, everyone. Bitcoin dominance 42.5 at the moment, with the market cap trading slight drop. We were at 2.8 something trillion last week. Slight dip in the markets, small sell-off, probably with the futures and the options trading obviously on Friday. That would have affected the markets a little bit, may have dipped it down slightly. So we've had a few good movements, guys. Bitcoin's still hovering around the 63k mark at the moment. We now have Solana, who has gone into 4th place in the rankings now. Binance Coin's absolutely flying, guys, as we expect it would do this time of the season. Well, obviously with Binance and the Binance Smart Chain. So we expect that. Solana laps number 4. It's now overtaken Tether and Cardano, whereas XRP is up 10%. Polkadot up 22.6%. I want to talk, guys, today about Polkadot, Parachains-Fantom, which I'm going to move on to in a minute. It's going to be insane. So there you go, guys. Avalanche having nice moves as well. And Terra Luna, as I said, I got an entry on that one myself recently. So let's get rid of a few of these open tags that I've got here, guys, at the moment. Okay, Solana surpasses Cardano, Tether to become 4th biggest crypto, worth 676 billion. Solana price reached another record high on November the 7th today, bringing its YTD gains up by roughly 17,500%, guys. Absolutely incredible. Solana surpassed Cardano and leading stablecoin Tether to become the 4th currency by market capitalization, the 4th biggest. Net worth of Solana is circulation was a little over 76 billion, falling only behind Binance Coin's BNB and Ethers and Bitcoin as well, guys. As I make this video, I believe Ethereum is actually smashing all-time highs as I'm actually making this. I've just had an alert come up on my phone, so take a look at that in a second. Meanwhile, Cardano and Tether's market cap came out to be 66.39 billion and 74.4.2 billion respectively. So Solana here, guys, price crossed above $262 for the first time in the history. Meanwhile, Solana received additional bullish cues from Solana's foray into Web3 gaming development via its venture capital arm. So have a look at this article, guys, here. This here is all on Cointelegraph, and insane news for Solana, guys. You've also got here the Solana ecosystem as well, where you can see everything that's being built on there, their wallets, infrastructure, and the oracles here. So you can see chain links on there. You can see all the different DeFi they got on here, guys, on the Solana ecosystem. Great project, as we all know. So here we go as well. Solana, Ethereum, Cardano, Avalanche, Polkadot, and Algorand. It compares the transaction throughput, the transaction fees, and the consensus mechanism here as well. So you can have a look on that. That's all here, guys. A great site here on Cointelegraph. Right, moving on to Fantom, guys. So I'm just on Coin Crypto Briefing here website, and what we're looking at is Fantom, and it could rebound to all new time highs. Fantom's recent price action suggests that it could make a move towards new all-time highs. So here we go. Fantom is still looking bullish, despite the heightened volatility in the cryptocurrency market. The Layer 1 Blockchains-Fantom token has rebounded from crucial supports with little to no resistance ahead. Fantom is my Layer 1 favourite coin, guys. I believe this could go to a $10 coin by the end of end of this December. So Fantom's uptrend looks strong despite the 30% correction it suffered after making a new all-time high at nearly $3.50, which is currently still standing, everyone. The proof of stake chain's Fantom token is currently sitting on top of a significant support barrier represented by the lower boundary of a parallel channel that has developed on its 12-hour chart since mid-September. Every time Fantom has risen to this technical formation's upper trend line, it has been rejected and retraced to the pattern's lower edge. From this point, it tends to rebound, which is consistent with the characteristics of a parallel channel. Following Fantom's recent 30% correction, the channel's lower trend line is held and allowed prices to partially recover. Further buying pressure around the current price levels could push Fantom towards the channel's middle or upper trend line, where resistance sits at $3.50 and $4.50 respectively, guys. Okay. It is worth noting that the support zone between $2.50 and $2.30 is playing a vital role in Fantom's uptrend. A spike in selling pressure that pushes Fantom below this crucial demand barrier could invalidate the optimistic outlook, potentially leading to a 20% retrace toward 190. I don't see Fantom going down to 190, guys, myself personally, but I see an upward trend from here, guys. I believe Fantom is on an upward trend, not a downward trend. So that's how I'm looking at it anyway. Now, what I wanted to move on to, guys, here. Polkadot Parachains, guys, November the 11th. Have you got your dot bags ready? I mean, I have got my dot bags ready. I am ready to go. So we have just seen Polkadot set a new all-time high ahead of the Parachain auctions here, guys. The latest development comes before the network's much-anticipated Parachain auctioning, which is scheduled to go live on November the 11th. So it's Thursday of this week, guys, Remembrance Day. So the high-speed blockchain platform Polkadot has recently passed a proposal that enables registration and crowd loans for developers. The news has made the price of DOT soar 15% to an all-time high. In response to the news, Polkadot's native token, which is DOT, guys, on the ticker, has climbed 15% higher in price and is currently at $50.87. So, as you can read on this article here, guys, it tells you about the parachains. Basically, the parachains allow you to bid for places on the Polkadot parachain ecosystem. So this is why I believe that it is going to actually fly. So I won't bore you with the complete article, guys, but basically, this is all on the Polkadot website. And also, if you have a look here, Polkadot adds Shell as first parachain on its network. So, to quickly run down this, guys, here. The Polkadot ecosystem is seeing a significant expansion. After considerable anticipation, Polkadot has finally released its first parachain. Polkadot will now begin its parachain auctions on the 11th, with hundreds of projects and they're running for a spot on the blockchain, guys. this is where everyone wants to be at the moment. So the Polkadot team took to Twitter to announce a parachain, stating that DOT token holders had passed referendum 41. The shell parachain on Polkadot will ensure block production, inclusion and finalization, the statement further added. So explains what shell is here. Basically, Polkadot is different from the other layer 1 blockchains, such as Ethereum, as it says here, which enables users to build directly on the base layer. So Polkadot's relay chain provides security to all of its parachains. Okay, guys. So the next step now for Polkadot will now undertake the next step in its journey to become multi-chain. Shell will be upgraded to state mint once the chain functions for a full 24 hours without any significant issues. So basically, the Polkadot auctions, it's Polkadot's community has greenlit parachain auctions, completing a significant step towards interoperability between blockchain networks. Web3 Foundation member Joe Petrowski introduced a proposal, obviously added Kusama, KSM, along with Parachains' assessment that the code for Parachains auctions and crowd loans is ready for an initial production release. Makes him believe that Polkadot should also be prepared for parachain auctions, guys. I will be getting your bags of DOT ready. I mean, for me, at the moment, it's a no-brainer, guys. You want to be adding your DOT, maybe even making some trades into Polkadot as we go into this coming week. I believe we could see Polkadot flying up to 3 figures, $100 plus. We could even see Polkadot do like a 3x in the next upcoming month. Easily. So, I mean, it's a great project, guys. Look at it. Polkadot, stack your bags. Fantom. I believe Fantom's going to do another maybe 3-4x in the next couple of months. 6 weeks, guys. So stack those bags. Anyway, that's it for this week's video. Oh, not this week's, but today's video, guys. Hope you've had a good weekend. Monday tomorrow. Back to it. Back to the business week. What's everyone holding? How are we all feeling? Ready for this, where I said we are at the bottom of this ladder, guys, now. I believe that, this, once we break into this week is where things are really going to start flying. And then up until the end of December, when we obviously will start taking some profits. Yeah, still thinking there could be a prolonged cycle. I do still see that. But I still think there's going to be a brutal correction coming in probably end of December, January. And then maybe we'll see have a few months bear where things are really dead. Now, it may take off again and go parabolic again, guys. But do you want to risk that going into another 2 or 3 years of bear market? You've got to take profit, in my opinion. Thanks for watching, guys. Bristol Crypto Trade, checking out. Please consider liking my channel. Maybe a subscription, guys, if you like what I'm doing. I am trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers and start doing some lives. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bristol Crypto Craig. It's Polkadot month. It's Fantom month. Hell, it's alt season, guys. Let's go. Peace out. And Bitcoin's going to 100k. We know that. See you later, everyone. Peace out.